See what go on in Haiti. And Holness, you better take notice of what go on in Haiti. You hear me? Because for too long the Jamaican people we just come like say, we just sit down. Sit down, you know, and watch the politician them and manipulate everything. You see me I say? When you issue out the guns them to the youth them in the garrison, tell them to go kill who them to kill in the election time. And then when election done and no win, we don't put in no infrastructure for the same people them fight to put in a power. They fight and kill for put in a power, them vote and put in them in a power. PNP and Labour right now chat. All on the same blood clot thing. You see me? We don't provide no way out for the youth them. No little training center, nothing. People are left high school with much blood class subject. End up I go try rob a supermarket get killed. Not for the youth them lazy. But many and majority of the youth them don't have no way out because the politician them corrupt brethren. System corrupt in Jamaica. I rate Haitian. I don't like all of them with certain ways, like certain ways of them have. But I love Haitian people. They are our black brothers, my lord. We are Hebrews, we are Israelites. You see me? I rate our Haitian people them stay. You see anytime a leader run for them country and I violate and go on like them take the people them to eat it and have them a suffer. Them people that go take you out. You have to go run where or something, bro. Jamaica people no stay so we just so fool and corrupt or something we are trying to turn a blind eye. Crime too high in Jamaica, brethren. Bro God, crime too high in Jamaica. Crime too high in Jamaica, big man. You're up in a mansion on the hilltop, your big house, you come like a hotel. While enough people in a pandemic can't find food and water and shelter. Common necessities them can't get no assistance from the government. And you stay there going like because one on head never roll down Market Street, King Street or wherever the blood class street or God knows or where no there. One on head never roll for all the injustice on the treat the people them over the years that vote for in Jamaica and go on like say we the people are uno servant, uno our servant, we vote in uno in a power. You see me? And I make the country run down to a thing where the youth them mafia scam, which was white collar crime until black man start doing them call it scam. Now the youth them we are scam. Most of them youth they're not too educated, but they know how we stay, we can emulate. And one thing with black people, the same thing we show we once, you know, have to show it twice be. You see me? Yeah be. So I eat enough youth get it and enough of them we have intent to go buy gun and do badness. And a lot of them will have their intention there. But some of them make their money and other people bad mind because some people not even want to try nothing. At least I'm gonna try scam. Because scamming no bad be. And when you take it and do bad things be. If you scam the money and take it to good things, me not condone scamming no be. But remember white collar crime has been going on for a long time. And not true Jamaican them start do it now and certain people are the victim. It has been we have been victimized. We have been scammed from Africa. Brought here in slavery, my lord, until this year now we're not free. Jamaica not free, we're not free in America. We're not free now, we as black people, you know, my lord. So the government of Jamaica have to take this as a notice be. And know say same thing will happen to the president of Haiti can happen to you. And it will happen to a leader in Jamaica because Marcus Garvey done pretty call enough things so one on the head go roll bridging. You hear me I tell you now, bridging the crime connected to politicians. Because I don't know who are the top man in the era them and them thing there. When you be, yo, what you know, man, grieving, my lord. Every day, man, get up a beer killing a Jamaica, bro. Beer killing a Jamaica, and come like, me don't know, me don't blame the police force, because them inadequate, dog. The police force need, if you get a lot more equipment, bridging. When you need metal detector, you need K9 dogs that can sniff out guns and them things, my lord. The man, them need better, more things, my lord. But then again, if the youth them will have a way out, we don't need police same way, but the crime only so because every man knows them have a way out. And you know me I say, if you're lazy now, you go look on you like you don't want to work. You see me? But the country now have no way out for the youth them. So I'm not gonna make the police them. So I don't understand. I think if you have a balance, Rasta. I think if you have a balance. You hear that? You have the sun, you have the moon. You have the earth, you have the sky. The thing have to have a balance. Be the police them can't just get big equipment and them thing there to fight crime. Like we are low crime to get bigger and we are prepared the police them. No, there's a way we have to alleviate crime and depression and poverty from the youths them, my lord, and change their mindset. And make them know that crime is not the way out, my lord. We can't have poverty in a ghetto, dog, and youth are suffering and you have no food, dog. One dumpling and a piece of chicken back in them plate, dog. While the politicians them out there were elected to lead the people them and provide a better way for the people them, a better future, my lord. I live lavishly, my lord. I fly out and have all type of offshore account and the people them don't even have a bank account. Most youth never hold 10 grand in a Jamaica, you know. Most youth never hold a 10 pack in a Jamaica. That's why them taught on hired killers, my lord. Because them never hold a 10 grand from them ban one time. So when a man come and offer them 10 grand to go shoot off your face or chop off your blood clot head, where you feel the bomb clot people them are going to do in Jamaica if you never hold a 10 grand in your country where you're there, your money no value nothing, my dad. Bro God, you need to alleviate poverty in Jamaica. And not true because me attack, I'm sure you something. Because it have nothing to do with politics neither still, but it have a lot to do with politics and corruption. Me not eat shower. Because if you come down to voting, my grandparents and my auntie and uncle them are PNP, so I grew up in a PNP family, but shower my thing, because green are my colour. You see, until Labour right, our supporters of Labour right, our fans, our people who respect you, bro, God, tell us, yo, you're fucked up, you now correct yourself, brethren, and we can't be impartial, my lord, whether you're Labour right or PNP, the country now run bomb buckler, right, the country gone. The country gone. The last time I come out and I said Tana Stevens if you love you because I don't know she asked the people them to come out and when the pandemic when just come out. You know she went kinda rare, she ain't wrong. And you want to tell her certain thing, apologize to her. She a good artist, I rate her, play music all the while. You hear me? Love the song them. I respect you because you're outspoken. Sometimes minds think alike and sometimes they may clash. But you know what I mean? It don't mean that we can't agree to disagree on certain topics. You know, bro God, you are carry vaccination, come give the people them. People are dead out there. You have curfew, no work. You have to have some form of relief for the people them, like in America where the people them get stimulus. You have to give the people them something in a Jamaica. You can't, just, bro God, I hope you take notice of what going on Haiti, you know. Hope you take notice of what going on Haiti. Because me I tell you, you see, uno, politician brethren, you know much man me know dead for politician from your little youth, we are hear about all the big dan them, we not call them 87 and call them 90s and not call them, I don't remember what not call them be. Uno politician created all those bomb buckler people. These people not talk about 87 and shatter and them thing there. Uno created the gangster culture and society and endorse it for no political gains. We no build school where we no win nothing. Notice in the government be, we no build school and we no build with nothing. We build 2 jail and 2 prison. We no build no school. Every time we no win, we shall build 5, 6 school every year be. And shows that education now push. We no push no education. You get me a deal with, and Chinese people them come in and who come in and build up road. But yet in the inner city, the rural city where the country people them there, if you see the road be, if you see the patrol and the monster hole them the people have to drive through, taxi man them car parts, dear my lord, some of them take out car part, like the bank take it out and have to make a payment and yet them have to buy parts be. The government neglect the people. The government of Jamaica right now neglect the people. And one of the people them, the Jamaican people them attack, take note of what going on Haiti be. If you start make people take advantage of it, bro. The voting, the people them vote for you. We're not supposed to have beg you for certain things be. And people, I'm going to tell you why I'm going to start when people not going to vote now, my lord. That's why certain things have to go cut out there. We have to go about change and some man not go on the change because everybody want to be done and enough people have grab on to power. But corruption, if you go in Jamaica, bad man, you get me a deal with? If you go a bridging. Certain things have to go Lego, my lord. For Jamaica better, my lord. Because the things spill and poison and corrupt from the top. The politicians them corrupt everything, my lord. Jamaica corrupt be. You know, say a higher society people, they pay gunman to kill other people, and them broke out all them things. Everything we see the ghetto youths them are doing in Jamaica from higher society, them started from, my lad. From the big man them, and the youth them start emulate, scamming, white collar crime. You see me? All them things where you see people go about them they on program, and run program from people that kill people for your cell phone and boot and 10 grand and 20 grand. It come from the upper heads them, and them used to practice those type of things to hide and kill their one another, their competitors, their competition, and then act like them unclean. Because many people in upper society have done a lot of things, they have sold a lot of drugs, and they have spilled a lot of blood, my lad. They have done a lot of things. You politicians, my lad, you politicians, brethren, I want to see one on the head. Roll a Jamaica be. If you roll, so no blame Doodles for everything. You no blame this or that for everything. You no blame that man for everything. Jim Brown not call people cursing and not throw name out there. Pan the ghetto people them. At the end of the day, my lord, the government make the people them a live some of them. Because you don't give them no way out. And you corrupt them with scarce benefits and spoils in election time. You fail to educate the people them so they can make better decisions for themselves and for their future and for their children and for Jamaica. That's why you don't build school. That's why you don't build school and universities in Jamaica, my lad. Even the music, you know, endorse it from a long time. A lot of the cultures be, man, tell you right now, people, Jamaican people, listen this beat. You see soursop leaf, the tree them in Jamaica, they must sell soursop leaf America in a supermarket. They must sell ginger, they must sell Cersei, they must sell every little thing where readily accessible in Jamaica, they must sell it to America for how much US dollar. Una riches down there. But the government don't want to make the people them educate the people them and know say yo and all we go be computer, whiz and scientists and all them things. Somehow we have to go farm because farming is essential. You get me a deal with? But the government of Jamaica now lead the people them right. Rest in peace, Manley. Rest in peace enough for our forefathers, Paul Bogle, Nanny, Marcus Garvey, you see me? Then one of them head a go roll, man. One of them head a go roll and too wicked. When down there deprive the people them of common things that they need to survive, common necessities, dog. But Garden Silk when sing a tune say necessity, dog. The common things your man need. You as a government or the Prime Minister, wherever you is be, you're supposed to provide that for them. Safety. You as a Minister of Security or whatever, if you provide safety for the people of Jamaica, my lord. And now do that. You don't feel the people them in all aspects. I say if you not change, no matter how much security guard you have up there, because if you notice the Haitian president, he have security guard, and details are what them call them bodyguard, them stand down and make them come kill him. You see corruption, you see if he's a leader we love corruption, and it make you strive and make you rich and powerful, and it will take you down back. So I tell the leaders them right now in Jamaica start changing the dirty ways and help the people of Jamaica because they need help. Youth them need help. But them see a little youth on TV. I'm going to ask him when he grew up where he want to be. And the little youth say a gunman he want to be. And the man said, no, brother, don't do that. The man said, brother, if you are the word of youth that talk like for real, brother, you can't tell me say me not grew up and turn gunman. And Prime Minister, when you stay in your blood clot outside your office where you're there and see that your blood not run, you don't feel a way if you know say you are lead the country and even the little babes them, even the little teenager them, little youth them are meant to be gunmen to come murder police. And yet the police them underpaid, understaffed, under-equipped. And you sit down there, you hold on to my lord. You hold on to the same thing, PNP and labor rights, I don't look no friend for now, and sell out Marcus Garvey, Yeah, man, so want to do to Paul Bogle, So want to do to Nanny, Yeah, man. All over the world now, sell out the people, them leaders of the world. There are some black people, some black leaders where the black people put all type of trust now, behind doors and make backdoor deal and sell out the people, them like, I sell them to slaughter. But I tell you, bro God, you say if you and future leaders don't clean up Jamaica and feel say go exempt from crime and violence, only poor people pitney go dead and poor people mother go ball and them thing there. So you reach on the doorstep, roll in the dog, roll in the dog. I'm telling you, dog, sometimes you're a leader, a dictator, or oppressor, my lord. And the people them tired of you. From ancient days, kings had have been ruled be. That's the only way you have to deal like king or a dictator with evil to the people and oppress the people. You have to cut off them head, bad man. Chop off them head. So you stay there and run down Jamaica and try get another election to win again. And try correct the corruption and the crime rate in Jamaica and feel say you exempt because you live in a one castle and one hill. And you have all type of police and soldier. We with you and we protect you, my lord. You ought to not get caught up. And bad man in Jamaica. I don't promote crime road, boy. I light up my spirit before I say this. Because I'm going to go down that thing in about another minute or so. Hold on there. Road boy, them a Jamaica. Where the Mobile come from, Portmore, Maypen, Spanish Town, Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Thomas, Oaktree, St. Ann, Westmoreland, Lucy, the whole place where I bad up, St. Elizabeth, the whole 14. And if you start kill politicians, bad man. And I kill too much poor people and nothing to do with them sufferation and the choices of life when they make and what and the opportunities when they never get. No fight at you because I'm lazy, but here my road boy, the politician them corrupt away, dog, and them are the leader. So when you get frustrated, me dan, you start kill politician. Enough people go say, oh, the man here said that. Why not kill the poor people them? Why not kill them? And then at the end of the day, who are killing off? I will give the orders them, my lord. Who run everything? Politician, me dan. When you start wipe out politician, we corrupt. Politicians with corrupt should be exposed, and if you wipe them out, dog, get rid of them. If they don't want to come out, you know, get rid of them, get them out, my lord, because them are going like, when them do nothing, they cannot be punished. Don't you see that the politicians in Jamaica, they have done a lot of crime over the years and they have not been punished? They don't go to jail like me and you know. Have you seen them going to jail? Don't you see that something is wrong, my lord, when me and you do something, we go to jail, road boy? But when the politicians them do things in Jamaica and some of the people them call them 90 or higher society, them fly out or the case dash out and everything just stay like that. You know me I say look on the X6 man and them thing there. And look how them still have cartel in a prison. You see me I say all of we do wrong but them not get no punishment if you see them wrong. You see me I say road boy and stop kill off no one another. Stop kill off poor people, dog. And just looking at the history and see who bring the guns them come to Jamaica. And turn it back on them, me dan. You start controlling the era, my lord. If you don't want to be a dance for the era, dog, make sure you say you're done, you try to take care of your era. I don't say play some for arms up, dog, but protect your people, them, dog. No build war, be. If you can seek peace and peace can strike peace, me dan. And try to make youth them, get to youth them, younger generation see a better life, be. Because them emulate what them see me dan. So if them see that's badness we are chop, be. Little more you can talk to nothing, little youth. Come see another video, we are man talking little son, and him son of them say you go suck your mother. In Jamaica that. Everybody a laugh, be. Little more from being me, I telling you, you know. You wanna raise up some monster, you know, no politician and send corner some dance and them thing there, nothing. No one not doing it, bro. Because the youth them not gonna take no talk from Uno after a while too, you know. Because I raise monsters, bridging, and then I wonder how the youth them get so evil and move. You see right now, no man no want shoot one man for no apps. You see now I'm gone. You see much people are dead, no one shooting, they come like the more the merrier. I want to make all of the money right now. Oh, Bright Light, Mr. Madden, Sam Isaac. Man who own the funeral home and make all the money right now. All the blood clot money. And the doctor them we are work on something because this thing deep, I know my lord, why them a low crime like that in a bad man. You see all them doctor that we harvest people organs when the people them dead and them got hospital and take out all them things when people can't get rescue. But you get to youth or you're bad man or you're this and that, then just make sure you you're dead and harvest your organ and sell it to somebody because you're healthy. You're melanin in your genes, my lord. You're God people, but you don't even know how precious you are. Black people don't know how precious we are, brethren. So when you go out there and do them things, you reach a hospital, them just kill you and harvest your thing and you just gone and bury. Enough man about them can't bury nobody, dog. When them dead, them not left no money for them mother even bury them. Not left them people them not dead, my lord, and shame be. If you know them have to walk and collect and borrow money to bury your dog, and you're a bad man when you live and show how much you think we have by Lord. Yo, I don't know if you say that, but I say politician, politician, better take this as a warning in Jamaica, my Lord, and all over the world who are oppressing black people, especially black people. Especially black people oppressing your own people, my Lord, is the lowest you can go, my Lord. I don't care who you are, brethren. I don't care who you are, my Lord. The one God me praise the Almighty God, him name Yah. He dwelleth in the heavens. Sent him son Yahweh Shai to die for our sins, my Lord. We are Israelites, my Lord. Unite black people, and if you can't unite, it don't make no sense. Be with a team and pray. Bro God, you depend too much fanciness and you endorse badness. You might have doing it, you might have did it unknowingly, or you did it knowing the effect, but you endorse badness, my Lord. And you will endorse badness by the name and certain thing be, you have to go relinquish yourself on certain things and change it and make it better. I'm not put no trust on no politician. I'm not here to you, bro God. I don't want to be no politician or them things. I'm not here to bad man. I'm not here to. I'm here to my general. But you see, uno as politician. You see, politician and liar. When Jack come and I forgot answer to him differently, you know? Because enough things you know Paul be, enough things you know, enough things you can do. And you see me, for the power, for the dollar, for money, you see me, you sell out on your own brethren. You see me? Yeah, me not really, no matter what I go on, the president of Haiti. You see, as a leader, you can't obsess with power and riches and run it down. And go like you don't want to come out of power, dog. You don't want to come out of power. And the people them not like you. And that's when you feel if you remember, you know, as politician now. And the people them put in a power. And we know work for. But someone who go in there and you know so have control over police and control over this and that and have the links and the money and the ghost there. When you start violate the people them. Until the people must rise up and chop off on the head. Slow no. Just to get back. Power. Because remember I said the power is in the people. The power is always in the people, my lord. So you politicians in Jamaica, we are giving you them gun and then I turn around and tell police who have gun and they go on like an uno, create a culture of badmanism and danism for you know garrison. Can always have you ever done for all of you know garrison for secure and vote them. Uno mash up Jamaica. Uno! And one on the head for rule B. One on the head for rule B because too much innocent blood has shed, my lord, because I only set the country, my lord. There's no infrastructure, bro God. Why you build for the youth them? Why you build for the youth them in Jamaica? Why you really are build for them? Show me 15 community center where you build, where you try to get loan from America to educate your people in Jamaica and train them so they are specialists in all sorts of things, fixing cars, computers, whatsoever, etc. my lord. What are you doing for the Jamaican people, bro God? Building road for what? Where you build road for? You sell out everything, the wharf, everything you sell out, and not sell out and rent out and loan out and pawn out. And one no pawn out, no give a fuck about all the rural community, the farmers them, the road them, where the people them a live on all the backside company, my lord. Oh yeah, destroy the people them house, my lord, the people them for breed. People them wash all them clothes and can't hang it on line. And it take long to give the people them justice, my lord. I'm going to talk another thing on it, but you know, the one I'm plan to talk so long, brethren. But I'm not say it's uno politician in Jamaica be uno. I don't rate to no brethren. Marcus Garvey, I rate be. Nanny, I rate and Paul Bogan. I don't rate to no brethren. I don't rate to no my lord. I don't sell out be. And one on the head I go roll. You hear that be? You can go and living on a big mansion in a be. And build on a big house and them thing there and left the people them in sufferation and feel say crime not gonna reach on the doorstep, you know, but you gonna reach there, bro. Gonna reach you, bro God. Crime gonna reach your doorstep, my lord. One way or the other, my lord. Because no one not doing a man I wish no bad but no politician we are do good. Good politicians, because they are good people in everything. Everything you have good and bad, yo. You need to just take heed, brethren. Take heed. And help the Jamaican people, help the people, not only people them vote for you, help the Jamaican people. Because the people them need somebody to lead them, my lord. And blame musicians for everything, so no lock up cartel there, no lock up Bob Marley in a prison. Everything no blame musician, no blame something else, no blame this, but no now take acknowledgement and say, yo, we are partly to be blamed for the way Jamaica has turned out as politicians. Because we made decisions that were not in the best interest of the Jamaican people, and now we are feeling the effect. You know what I mean? Until you do that and start really do something from the groundwork and stop blame the ghetto youth them and stop blame the musician them, the thing will get better. You see me I say, until then be, if you don't take heed, man on the head I go roll bad man. Yeah man. Blessed be Jamaica, the land we love, you know. Yes sir, no matter where we're there. Although we're there foreign. Although we're there foreign, we still a rep Jamaica. And we agree if you see a place around. So just take care of the country, bro. Take care of the country and make people them live good, bro, God. You see me? Yeah, I want to go feel it. One of the politicians are going to feel it. You hear that? Yeah. I'm out. For real.